In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your itch.io page step by step, quickly and easily, so you can update your game or project information without any confusion. Whether you want to change your title, improve your description, replace images, upload new files, or simply make your page look more polished, this guide will walk you through the entire process. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head over to your dashboard. This is where all of your projects and games are managed in one place, so if you've uploaded more than one project, this is the area you'll use to find the one you want to update. After you're in the dashboard, look through your list of projects and select the game or project you want to edit. Click on the project name or thumbnail to open its settings. From there, you should see an Edit option. Go ahead and click Edit to open the page editor. This is where you can make changes to all the important parts of your itch.io page. Now you can update the title if you want a new name, rewrite the description so it better explains your game, add stronger images to make the page more visually appealing, or replace files if you've uploaded a new version of your project. Take your time here and make sure each section reflects the newest information. If you're promoting a game, this is also a great time to improve your wording so visitors understand what your project is about right away. Scroll through the page carefully and review every section before saving. It's always a good idea to double-check your spelling, your links, and any media you've added, because the last thing you want is to publish a page with an outdated description or missing file. Once everything looks good, scroll down and review the changes one more time. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the updates to your itch.io page. After saving, your changes should go live, and visitors will see the updated version of your project page. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit an itch.io page in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.